Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin access on the Samsung and unlocking the device. This lets you change tethering rules. Once in Settings, go to Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering so you can control connected devices. Tap Mobile Hotspot to open the Hotspot panel. Here you'll see the network name, password, and a list of currently connected clients. Make sure to note the MAC addresses or device names you want to block before changing any advanced options. Now you identify the unwanted users from the connected devices list. Write down their MAC addresses or recognizable device names because those are what you'll block. Next, open the Hotspot's Advanced or Allowed Devices section and choose the Block List or Forbidden Devices option. Add each MAC address precisely, since one wrong character will fail. Once the devices are added, save the settings and toggle the hotspot off then on again, so the Samsung enforces the new block entries immediately. To finish, confirm that blocked devices are disconnected and cannot rejoin. Monitor the connected devices list for any attempted reconnections. If a blocked user still connects, make sure the MAC entries are exact, then restart the Samsung and the hotspot. Sometimes a simple reboot resolves caching issues. If settings refuse to apply after that, check for system updates and install them. As a last resort only, consider a factory reset but backup data first. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.